Sea mice have several distinguishing features that can help identify them. 1. Furry appearance. Sea mice have a furry appearance due to the presence of numerous bristles on their body. These bristles can be of different colors, ranging from black to red to orange. 2. Elongated body. Sea mice have an elongated body that is divided into segments. The body can grow up to several inches in length. 3. Pair of antennae. Sea mice have a pair of antennae on their head that are used for sensing their environment. 4. Eyes. Eyes are absent in sea mice. 5. Pair of parapodia. Sea mice have a pair of parapodia on each segment of their body. These parapodia are used for movement and can be expanded to increase the surface area for swimming. Overall, sea mice are easily identifiable due to their furry appearance, elongated body, pair of antennae, and pair of parapodia.